when you've started the process of becoming your own banker, you're going to want to go to your local bank and open up a new separate account. And this is going to help you stay very organized as you're taking policy loans and making loan repayments. So let's assume you have $100,000 over here in your policy and cash value, and you want to access a policy loan, so that money has to be deposited somewhere. Typically, it's going to be with the bank that you already bank with. Now, I want to keep this money separated from your personal account and your savings account that you already might be using to fund your lifestyle with, pay your mortgage, expenses, all of that. Keep it separate from that. You don't want to commingle this. It'll help you stay organized. And so you want to send this to your, whatever you call it, IBC separate account. And this is what you're going to use the policy loan to deposit into. And then from here, you'll use it for investments, expenses, travel, whatever you're financing. And then as you start making money with your income, you're going to pay your banking system back. Now, if it's from travel or whatever it is, you will pay that back to this bank account, and then you will transfer it to the insurance carrier. And so this IBC separate account that is at your actual bank is meant to track policy loans coming in and policy loan repayments from whatever you use the money for. You want to keep this separate because when you start doing this on a bigger scale, you might see a lot of cash in there. And if it's commingled with your personal or savings accounts, sometimes it gets a little bit distracting, and you might want to go spend that money if you see a large chunk in there. But that money needs to be going to your banking system. We need to be an honest banker. And so typically what I like to do is I'll leave it in this IBC separate account, and then once a year, I transfer it back to the insurance company to reduce the loan and pay the interest, all of that. Now, the other reason why I like leaving it in this account and I only pay my policy loans back once a year is a lot of times I've got a lot of deals going on and I might need to use the cash sooner. So if I'm paying it back every month to the insurance carrier, but I've got deals coming across my table every other month, I'll probably just leave it in the checking account and keep rolling the money over, keep using it from there rather than sending it back to the insurance company, paying down the loan, immediately requesting a loan to bring it back out. It's a lot of transactional work on the carriers too, which I don't like bogging down their systems because they are our partner in this process. We want them to be happy. We want them to enjoy working with us as well. But if you need to pay that back monthly to the insurance carrier because that's a better discipline for you, by all means, set up an automatic payment from this IBC separate account to pay back your policy loan at the insurance company once a month. So ultimately do what's comfortable for you, but definitely utilize having a separate account to track policy loans and loan repayments. This will make your life very easy, very well organized as you are growing and on this journey of becoming your own banker.